the centre are once again embroiled in a tussle, this time over the funds for Samagra Shiksha scheme. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has written a letter to Prime Minister Modi in this regard, alleging that the centre has not yet released the funds to the state. According to Stalin's letter, over 3,500 crore rupees have been approved for the state under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, but the state is yet to receive its first instalment of 573 crores. Now, Samagra Shiksha is a central government scheme pertaining to the school education sector. Stalin has also said that Tamil Nadu is also yet to receive 249 crores from the last year's allocation. The state government has alleged that Tamil Nadu is being deprived for not accepting the new education policy. My colleague Dharani is joining me live right now. Well, Dharani, clearly this is an area of concern that has been flagged by the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu as far as the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan is concerned. What they're saying is that they haven't even gotten the installment of the last year.
Well, the state is alleging that they haven't got 249 crore from last financial year's allocation, and as far as this financial year is concerned, Tamil Nadu was allocated 3,586 crore. And this will be shared through a 60:40 a formula. The central government will give 60% of the amount, while the state government will give 40% from its share. So based on that formula, the central government has to give give the state Tamil Nadu rupees 2,152 crores for this financial year, and the first installment of this amount, that is 573 crores. This is supposed to come to Tamil Nadu in the month of June. Usually every year it comes during the month of June, but still now the state hasn't received even a single rupee yet. And now the state government is alleging that it's because they
absolutely, Dharani, and that is the primary grounds that the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is expressing in his letter to the Centre.